This is abo, also known as fufu, made from cassava. In this video, I'll show you how cassava is processed step by step until it becomes ready for cooking. So the first thing is the fermentation stage. The process starts with the cassava being soaked in water to allow it to ferment. To speed up the fermentation, potash is used. The potash is wrapped inside a nylon before putting it into the basin with the cassava. This helps the cassava to ferment properly. The fermentation process takes about 3 to 4 days. Some people use nails or bitter leaf depending on their method. So after fermentation, the next thing is to peel off the cassava bark. But the cassava can be fermented after the bark has been removed. But here, the bark was fermented together with the cassava. Everything was fermented together. So the next is the sieving stage. At this stage, the cassava is sieved to remove the fibers, which is the chaff, and this process helps to make the cassava smooth and clean. So nothing is wasted in this process. The cassava chaff is not thrown away. It is then given to the goats as food. And this is the final product ready to be used for cooking that fufu that many of you love and enjoy eating. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss any of my videos. Bye bye.